Hey guys, this is question 13B off your study guide. It's the one with the guy pushing the car. So let's start off by drawing our free body diagram. So we're going to label what we know, which is our force of gravity, which was 8,000 newtons. Your normal force going up, it also would be 8,000. And we know there's going to be an applied force going to the right because our car is moving to the right. And you're going to have a friction force going to the left, all right? My first step here, what I would probably do is go ahead and find my mass, and I'm going to use the F equals ma formula for that technically, and you're going to use 9.8 for your acceleration. So you're essentially going to divide 8,000 by 9.8 to get your mass. So our mass is going to be 816, and mass is always going to be in kilograms for these. All right. What I could do next is go ahead and find my net force if I wanted to do that. And again, you're going to use F equals ma because it gives you your acceleration of 1.7 in the question. So you would take that 816 and multiply it by 1.7, and your net force is going to be 1388. I'm just going to round to whole numbers for this video. All right. And that is going to the right because it says in the question your acceleration is going to the right. What I would want to do next is use my coefficient of friction to find my friction force. So you're going to use that friction formula and plug in information that you have. So your friction coefficient of friction was given to you as 0.03, and your normal force is 8,000, and that is going to equal to be 240 for your friction force. All right. So you can go ahead and label that on your diagram as well. Okay. So then to get the applied force, we're going to go back and use that net force we found. And you're going to actually add your net force and your force of friction together for this. So you're going to take that 1388 and add 240. And that is going to give you 1628 for your applied force. So when you go back and if you look just at your diagram and double check that it equals your net force, the 8,000s cancel each other out, and then 1628 minus the 240 would give you that total of 1388 to the right for your net force. All right. So let me know if you guys have any questions about this, because you'll see something kind of like it on your test. So.